Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook identity not confirmed. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook identity not confirmed, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will go to Facebook and you will enter here. After that, in this page you will click for stop like this, and then you will go to click here enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and after that you can click here clear data, and when you will end this you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.